Isn't that beautiful? The sun coming out. Clouds around it, but it's still nevertheless beautiful. Good morning, everybody. Coffee time. I can't find my creamer, and that's driving me crazy, so I'm hoping I sweetened the coffee enough to be able to drink it. Yes, I can. Anyway, it's early morning. Sun's peeking out. Waves are very calm. And I don't see any birds yet. Oh, there goes one seagull. I would love to see some pelicans out here, though, because I would love to show you the pelicans. And probably by the time I leave here, I might find one or two that I could show y'all. I see a few fishes jumping. My understanding is that it's pretty shallow all the way to the buoys, but this girl does not swim, so I don't go. I stay right at the very edge. I might wet my feet, but that's it. I also understand there's several varieties of sharks out here. You won't catch me there. I was also told that sometimes alligators come walking by here. I didn't know they went in salt water. But anyway, a gentleman here was telling me yesterday that there was a 12-foot alligator that they found out here, and they had to kill it because it was over 6 feet. I think they don't kill them if it's 6 feet and under, but they will kill them otherwise. And I can imagine 12-foot alligator. Oh my God. I was also told that the other day an alligator killed a dog. So I'm very watchful with mine, and I'm always watching my surroundings to see what there is out there that may be of some harm. So anyway, it is early. I'm going to enjoy my coffee, and then I will get back to you. Okay, this place, maybe a hurricane hit it or something at one time, but definitely nobody lives there. It says private property. Oh, I want that camper. And a boat. I guess all that was left behind. Pretty rugged shape, though. Right on the beach. So really, when you're right on the beach, anything can happen. Hurricanes hit, destroys a lot. Looks like it's in pretty bad shape, but you know, it must have really been nice when it was new. Look at that. Huh. 0 pets. Okay, that's fine. Must have been like a bed and breakfast or something like that here. I don't know. No telling. There's the other side. And maybe they own this property too. It's got the same kind of fencing and all, so who knows. Now this is a cool looking place. Huh. I might come back to it when it's a little lighter. It's still quite foggy. It's early in the morning. But this is cool looking. And this is as far as I'm going right now. See, there's an owl. Not a real one. Another one over here. Not a real one. I love the way they have this. This is cool. But I will come back and show you more later on. Look at that. Oh, they're trying to get away from me. Oh, that is so... That fog is really coming in more and more. I don't know what kind they are. They're black, but they're definitely not crows. But don't know what they are. Well, it looks like the wind has blown the fog away. But listen to the water. It washes all your concerns away. That's the way I feel anyway. If you're stressful, it calms you. Wow. Well, as you can tell, the wind is blowing. I had to take off my hat because it went off my head and it was flying down the road. I had to chase it. So, anyway, I think I will let y'all go for now. I'll give you a few minutes to enjoy these sounds. And don't forget to love one another, love thyself. Tell somebody you love them today. Many hugs. Love y'all.